In this video I would like to show you how you can use the AirTurn Bluetooth Footswitch, which works as a Bluetooth keyboard or Bluetooth keystroke Footswitch, in order to control FiveLoop. So first thing we need to do is turn the AirTurn Footswitch on and pair it with the Android device. And we can do that by enter the settings and go to connections, Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on. And it is already connected because I have connected it before. If it's been done automatically when Bluetooth is on. You can also see that the status LED changed. If you have not connected it previously, you simply select it from the available devices and it will connect. So now we have it connected to our Android tablet. What I recommend you to do for this model is to switch to the 6 mode. It has different modes. Some are using MIDI, some are using keystrokes, and the MIDI I do not recommend over Bluetooth. I do not have good experience with it performance-wise, so I would use the keystroke mode, and I recommend to use the 6. So you can switch the mode by pressing the mode button or function button and hold it for the LED to flash 6 times. So I hold it, wait until the LED flashed 6 times, and then I release it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we are in the keystroke 6 mode, and let's open the FiveLoop application. And what we need to do now is assign those buttons to the functions in FiveLoop. So we can do that by entering the menu. We can press the sandwich button on the top right. And then we scroll a little bit down in the Learn Keystrokes section. And in the Learn Keystrokes section, we press Start Learning Mode. And we see that all the buttons on the bottom turn blue. And we now select the button we would like to assign. And let's start with a rewind 5 seconds. Now it is waiting for a command from the controller, a keystroke command. And we press the button on the AirTurn controller and it's been assigned. So we do that with the rest as well. Once we're done, we press Stop Learning Mode and exit the menu by tapping the cross on the right top side, on the right hand side on the top. And that's basically it. Now we are able to control the video with this Footswitch.